Good morning, friends. It's me, Teacher Tessa, and I'm here to read a story for you. I hope you like it. It's called Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Let's see what happens. Hiccup! Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup! How do you stop the hiccups? Let's see what happens. Pete asks Grumpy Toad, how do you stop hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Do you stand on one foot? Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Oh no. Pete asked Callie, how do you stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and you hop up and down. Does that work? Pete stands on one foot and he hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Oh no. How can you get rid of the hiccups? Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Oh, there you go. Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down, he sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Oh no. No. Oh no. Poor Pete. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. And Pete does it. Look. Hiccup! Nothing is working. Pete still has hiccups. Oh, go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. Take a deep breath. And Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Yes, moms are so smart. The end. Isn't that a cute story? Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. What I'd like for you to do is hopefully you can go and read the story again, and hopefully you can do the movements with it, like standing on one foot, hopping on one foot, and singing a song, rubbing your belly. I'd like for you to do that one more time and see if maybe you can try and read the book and with me and do the motions because that would be fun. Another thing I would like to do is I'd like to do a song with you with it's called the Hiccup song. And let's see if I can do it along with you and we can dance along with it. So let's listen and dance along with the Hiccup song. Does that sound good? Okay, here we go. I'm going to do this with you. I'm going to play this really loud. Here we go.
Hiccups make you move, hiccups make you jump. If you get the hiccups, touch your nose. Hic! That didn't work. Hiccups make you move, hiccups make you jump. If you get the hiccups, stand on one leg. Hic! That didn't work. Hiccups make you move, hiccups make you jump. If you get the hiccups, bend in half. Hic! That didn't work. Hiccups make you move, hiccups make you jump. If you get the hiccups, wave your arms. Hic! Oh, that didn't work either. Hiccups make you move, hiccups make you jump. If you get the hiccups, jump up and down. Hic! Hic! Oh no, that definitely didn't work. Hiccups make you move, hiccups make you jump. If you get the hiccups, hold your breath. Oh, that's better.
All right, that was fun. I'm going to put the link of this song, the Hiccup song, down in the information, and maybe you can do it again and sing and dance along with the Hiccup song. Okay? Well, it was great reading a story with you guys. I miss you guys, and I hope to see you soon. And I want to read more stories and do more fun things with you. So, have a nice day, and I miss you guys. All right. Bye-bye.